Wenzele nkabi yami.
Jobe nkabi yami.
Wenzele nkabi yami.
Jobe nkabi yami.
Ngiyagula nkabi yami.
Oy kula wena Steve. Yebo. Yebo. Yebo.
Oh, ishow le bengibukela ngakwazi. Ngathi nje ukuqala nje empilweni yami ngibukela ishow yomuntu osuke ezoyiqala phansi eyedwa ezoyiphetha isezingeni futhi.
Izihlobo zami zegazi ngaphatheka manje ngibona ngikhuluma igama ngashaka lesiyembezi. Ingaphakathi lami libole kweli ihlule kunembeza wami. Inhliziyo yami yophela ngaphakathi avumela usathana ukuba imthukhuluphala ukhule ngokuphila igazi lokuphila ngaphakathi kimi. Ngenxa zokuthi bekho umuntu bengakhuluma naye. Kunemishini ekuzana ngaphakathi ibizama ukuhluza amagama azophuma ebukeke fana negolide emehlweni yakho. Ngenxa zozama ukufihla ubuhlungu emizwa ngaphakathi kimi.
Njengomlandeli nomuntu ophila kakhulu lezinto ngikakwazi. Ngiyakholelwa kuyena umsebenzi wakade wenza la ngikholile ukuthi ngu-understande ngubone ngawuthanda ukuthi kwakhiwa abantu ngoba into ayenzayo kimi ingakhela impilo.
Bathi nazona ingoma ngamahlebethela bathi nazama ukuduma ngalezi inkondlo lezi. Bathi nazama ukwenza imali ngalezi inkondlo lezi. Noma bebiza umsakazo wethu nabashiya ngaphandle bethi ngoba thina sisegoli sokwenza imali njengoba abanye bababa bagqoka amadabdabu begqokela amajezi amade masebe wabamba kahle. Namantombazana khona ahamba ngathi abamba ibamise aba ngathi bangcolile abagezi. Bathi baphushi art baphushi fashion. Baphica bebeha inkondlo ngamantombazana khona. Athi it's my position. Then change my situation. After I took a decision on taking a different dimension, that's why we're pushing fashion, and it became a fashion, and we go by a name fusion.
Because some of the things as children, it's real to our past also, losing our parents, but at the end we're going to lose them in the past. So thank you. Cheers.
So yeah, I really enjoyed isho namhlanje ngize ngakhala ngishukana so keep up Kwazi. Like sonke we're crying. It was really emotional.
Oh my God, especially
for instance, like the loss of a baby, it is something that
lapha ngasifuni izingalo zabo bazizala besiphose emgodini kadoti siqhubeke siphile zizeyithole yami ingane ayiphiwanga nomzuzu okuphila lapha emhlabeni ngoba sasiyithanda ukufikisa ngosizi nangezinyembezi angimazi umntana wami ngamehla enyama ngamgcine seyidunde esiswini sikanina nginethemba lizozala ngimbone futhi kodwa ukumbona kwami kube kubi ngoba ngiphice seyidunde ehlabathini ngingasophinde ngimbone ubefana nelanga belibozwe ngamafu bengithi azodlulela amafu ngilibone lilanga elihlele ngumntana wami kodwa ngithela vele bese lokuthi lokho nangasophinde ngilibone.
my obituary show by Nsele. What I can say is that I enjoyed the show, especially because it talks about personal things that we as people undergo through. They can be major things, but at the same time they're unspeakable.
Engangivuka khona ekhaya ngingalaleki ngibuye ukuthi ngabe ngiyobheka ku awubuza khanyise ngihlale idanti ekhaya lesecini secini mase ngiphila ngiyagijima ekhaya ngidlala kwezinye isikhathi ngithatha ifoni yami mangisalaleki ngibeke endlebeni ngithi khuluma iqiniso uthando lwakho luhamba nani ngoba ngilele esijulile ngizosuka ngilala uthando lwakho lusocungana njengenjwili yamanzi esizebeni esijulile ngidlala isidonolo zokuhlu umsindo wezinyende umkhulungwane wezinja phakathi kumabili.
Kwazi Nsele my obituary tour.